Hi, welcome to part one slash part two of my step-by-step guide to Linux, how to install Linux, the 2024 edition, actually. On my part zero, as you can see, it was dog shit, to say the least. So this time, instead of using VMware, I'm going to use VirtualBox because I'm going to use what I used from the last time and stuff. And I don't know I don't know what happened. Dominoes. No, I guess I gotta turn my mouse on. Eh, why is this so sensitive? Good lord. Okay, good. Alright. Uh, let's see. What I did is I booted it up. Actually, you know what? Let's start like last time. Oh, I just reset this fucking thing. Oh, let's start over. Orca owns VirtualBox? Oh, yeah, I guess they do. I put the city in, the ISO. It's loading up the ISO. To do anything, automatically boot. There you go. It's booting up. We'll start from the very beginning. I am very tired too. What I'm going to do is I'll do this to bare minimum, and then I'll upload this as part one instead of part zero, and in part two will be the GUI and all that jazz. All right, it's fresh. Boom, boom, boom. If I put an F disk. Okay, well, when I'm putting an F disk L, it's showing it has been initialized. So let's initialize the brain. Right now it's brainless. It has no brain. So we're gonna give this we're going to design the brain, activate it and stuff. Bad analogies. Alright, let's just do this. CF disk. Label type GPT because no one uses DOS anymore. AKA the master boot record. That's gone. It's old. It's old fashioned. It's back in the day. So I'm gonna use GPT. Any other hard drives you have that's larger than 2 terabytes. Excuse me. Mm. Look at the time, 7:15 a.m. Let's see. I gotta work till 9. Let's see, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah, that's funny. What did I say? 9 o'clock? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 9. Uh, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm bad at counting too. Okay. If I can go to bed at 8, so I gotta make sure I go to work too. I'm just playing here. Alright, I'm fucking around. Okay, GPT, CF disk. Alright, we're gonna design the brain, we're gonna lay out the brain of the computer. That's the hard drive. We initialize it as GPT. Okay, we'll go new. I hit that fucking button. That takes me out of the headset. Damn it. Urgh. I don't know what button though. I think it was F12. I don't know if F12 does that. Hold on, I gotta fix my. I'm on my headset. I'm using the Bluetooth keyboard. Okay. Well, first partition is the BIOS, so I don't know, it's no more than 1 gig, right? I think 1 gig's enough for BIOS, right? There we go. Change the type to BIOS boot. That's for the grub. Cause last time it gave me any errors. Probably has to do with GPT layout related, I guess. There you go. That's the BIOS boot. Second boot, or the second partition is going to be. You know what? It did okay. Hold on. I have an idea. We're just gonna delete. Just for the sake of whatever. Let's put this as the main file system. This is going to be uh the swap. Change type, Linux swap. 2 gig, oh, whatever. I'm never gonna use that much swap anyway. So who cares? Got new, 2 gig, whatever. It's a little big for a BIOS boot, BIOS petition, but whatever. BIOS boot. This looks good. Da 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 da. All right. Right. You hit type yes instead of Y. Oh, it's just right at the very bottom. Type yes or no. I've been hitting Y and it hasn't been writing for some reason. Okay, that should say I can't read it. The partition has been altered. Okay, I can barely fucking read that. Okay, this is all good. Now we're gonna quit. See if I. This is the software I used. CF disk. Okay. Second step is to format it. So mkfs dot extension 4 device SDA partition 1. There we go. And I'm going to do mk swap. I think that's how you do it. And then dev SDA second partition. Correct. Oh, that's a no. Don't know how I did that. There you go. Now what else? It's been formatted. Oh, now I got to mount the partition so I can use it. That SDA partition 1. We're going to put on the mount folder. There we go. Okay, so far so good. We're making good progress here. Yeah. All right, going to use Arch Shroot. And then slash mount. Mount point does not exist. What are you talking about? What? SDA on type mixer 4. What the fuck is it talking about? Arch Shroot. I don't get it. I thought I. Well, it looks like I'm going back to the installation guide. Because apparently I forgot. What in the hell? What in the hell am I doing wrong again? What the hell? Alright. Let's see what I'm doing wrong here. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, I guess I. I guess I pack strap it next. Okay. Now to install the Linux stuff, the actual files, you do pack strap. I think it's like this, and then go base, the base file, base development tools. This will actually put the Linux files into the hard drive. And here we go. There she goes, folks. The beginning of Linux Arch on your OS. We're building, we built the foundations, like putting a slab, like on a house, a slab type foundation on a house, which was setting up the hard drive, partitioning, and pack strapping it. And now we're gonna build the frame next, which is installing the Linux kernel. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. I can't believe I made that mistake. I think I'll upload 0 on the Notebook LM. Really handy tool. It's like ChatGPT, but like for note taking. And it's got this thing called audio overview, which basically turns into some kind of podcast type thing that talks about your sources. It's like two AI podcasters talking about whatever which you upload on your source, like a real podcast. It's really neat. One time I put in my own audio file about myself, and they were talking about me. It was kind of neat. Okay, now that's done. Now I outshrewd it. That should work now. There we go. Now it's working. As it should be. Now there's some important things you gotta do. First, I'm gonna enable, as in, I'm gonna put up a service that will boot up every time. JCPC. Oh wait, this don't have JCPC, does it? No, it doesn't. That's another thing. You gotta. Let's go screen fetch first. That's things. It's so fresh. You gotta install packages one by one. So like auto completion, DHCP, CD. It's just completely customized, and you gotta install the packages. You gotta know the packages that goes which. You know, that something like that. Yeah, you know what I mean. You'll see what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna screen fetch it. Look at that. Bare fucking bones. Oh, it's Arch Linux, the kernel, Only 148 packages. The bare minimum shell, system D. Yeah, absolute minimum. There's my CPU, the GPU from the virtual machine. Look at I got a Xeon, an oldie, an oldie but goodie. 16 gig of RAM, pretty good. Now we're going to Pac-Man is the package manager. You can install the stuff and stuff. I'm going to install DHCPCD. There we go. I'm going to system control enable DHCPCD. There we go. And now anytime it boots up, it'll start the network. I think Network Manager is the GUI version of it, Cinnamon. I believe. Which I guess you can disable DHCPD when you do that. Because it won't be necessary, I believe. What am I missing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Add a user. I guess I can do that now. M G wheel sudo what was the other thing? Was it /bin? Bash, okay. I think it's -s shell, yeah. Or is it 2 groups? Group 2 does not exist, really? Is it sudoers? What do you mean? Oh, whatever. I lived without it. Password. Urban. I don't know. Password. Make it easy. The letter T for testicles. There you go. And type it again for the root password. T for testicles. There you go. Got the user. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need an editor, a text editor, so I can edit the sudoers file. There you go. Now I can edit. There you go. Yeah, I'll just do both. Whatever. Who cares? Take out the hashes or the pound sign to uncomment. There you go. File edit. Right. There you go. Let's see. I create a user. I put the password. Made it sudo. What else I need? Oh yeah, I'm gonna install batch completion. I think there's another one too, ZCH. Wait, what's the command? I know what bash I'm using. It's not pwd. Oh, the more important thing. Last time I forgot to I forgot to I forgot to add the terminal and I forgot it. Add a terminal when you're using a GUI, and once you like enable it, you have no way to get back. Oh, I mean, you do Control Alt and F2, F3, F4, to change the TTY. But on the virtual machine, it was a lot harder, and I wasn't able to do it, and I trapped myself. So I'm gonna put some terminal in there. I forget what it's called. Is it XL term? No. Uh, XFCE term? I don't remember the names of anymore. Son of a poop! uh, damn. It looks like I'm getting ahead of myself, though. Don't let me forget to put that to install the terminal. I gotta do this. Uh, Zone info. America. New York. Local time. H clock. Next time you do this, it gets easier, by the way. And then soon you can, once you have all the packages you need, then you can just back up the package list, and I'll show you how to do that. And you'll be ready for that specific computer. It'll be customized, and it'll be cool. Okay, now I gotta edit the locales. I go, if you're an English speaker like me, you'll be going to go here. English from the US, I'm assuming. Yeah, comment that, comment that. Save. And then you do locale generate. Okay. Go back to Nano. Edit the host name. We'll call this Arch 9000. Yeah, good enough. Oh, I forgot to install the most important thing. We got the Linux files, but we don't have the actual brain, the actual thinking, the kernel. The most important thing that makes Linux is the kernel. I never installed it yet. So we're going to install the Linux kernel to make this thing actually work. Well, then it's just a bunch of files and stuff with no brain, with no brain. So you do this, Linux. That's asking me to do this too. Firmware? I think it's firmware. Uh, yeah. And we're gonna install Grub, the bootloader, too. Default. So install that. It's gonna install that. It's gonna install Grub, the kernel, and the firmware for about 400 meg. And here we go. And we're off. Hit. Now what else I got to do? Oh, I gotta install the terminal. I got to remember to install the terminal. Or else I'm screwed. I think it's Xterm. Is it Xterm? I think this is just Xterm. I don't think it's Xterm. I think that's another terminal thing. Uh, dang. I guess it wouldn't hurt to install Xterm though. Yeah. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. I'm really tired. I should just go to bed. Really. But instead, I decided to do this because why not? Why not do this? This is cool to do. It's gonna be awesome. Now installing the Mekikisetopo. That sounds like Piccolo's move. Makankosapo. What is it? MK initialize CPIO or something? Yeah, that one. So it's gonna do that. It's building a Linux kernel. What's installing, I mean. Okay. There you go. Now let's install Grub. Grub install on the whole hard drive. DEV that slash SDA. It's installing. And there you go. Grub is installed. Now to make the Grub thingamajig, the config. I believe it's Grub MK config output. It's boot right, and then Grub. Uh, hold on. Grub. Is it grub.cfg? Just a sec. Just in case, I'm gonna look. Though I'm pretty sure it's grub. .cfg. But I lost my memory. Well, yeah, it is grub GFG. Okay. Grub.config. And there we go. So the next time I reboot, it'll reboot to the actual Linux from the hard drive instead of the ISO. Well, ain't that cool, huh? Before I do that, I'm gonna install Xterm because that's the only thing I can remember. Whatever, it is a terminal, so who cares? There we go. Okay, I think we're done with Shroot. We don't need to bootstrap anymore. First, we need to bootstrap it to install it, to give the brain some brains. We built the foundations, the slab, put that in, put the frames, which is still in its kernel, and then now it's ready to go. For the first time, it's gonna boot on itself from inside Linux, from its own Linux kernel, from its own brain instead of the bootstrapped brain. All right, let's see. We're gonna reboot this sucker. Here we go. Oh yeah. Uh, well, I gotta get rid of the. Let me get rid of the ISO. I'm going ahead and do that. Yeah. Remove disk from virtual drive. So we're just gonna reboot it. Okay. Just ignore that. We're just gonna reset it. There you go. It booted from the hard drive. And we're in Grub. And it's gonna load Linux. It's gonna load the kernel now. So far, so good. And we're in. We're in. It's breathing. It's on its own for the first time without its mother. We chopped that umbilical cord that is Shroot, and now it's breathing air on its own very own lungs for the first time. And it's on. It's on its own kernel now. It's exciting. It's excite. It's a very excite. Indeed. All right, let's see if this works. Irvin and then T. Ah, there we go. All right, we'll go here. Got some nice colors. Look at that. Boom. All right. Let's go LSmod. This is on modules loading. Let's see what's loaded. Soon we're gonna load the whatchamacallit, the additions, the guest additions. All right, let's see LSPCI. So I detected host bridge, ISA bridge, IDE. Here's the video card, VMware, adapter, the Ethernet. Yeah, got the sound. Yeah, USB. Cool. Very cool. See if I can upload the guest editions. I might just do that one later. Upgrade guest editions. I can upgrade it. Why not? Okay. Now I think it's good to go. then we're ready to load the GUI now. I would say to load the graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA, I think you just type in NVIDIA. AMD. It could be you can just type AMD to get the official drivers. Alright, let's go get ourselves a GUI. Uh, well, first I gotta see if I'm connecting the internet. I should be able to connect the internet. Yeah. Okay. Good. Excellent. Okay. Now for the GUI. Well, let me update this. That's. Oh yeah, I gotta do sudo every time. Cool. How about that? I think it's missing though. Core and extra. I could have sworn there was more than that. Huh. I said this last time too. All right. We're gonna get the GUI. The GUI I get. First, you need a window manager. That's either Xorg, the classic, the most compatible, the one that gives you the most compatibility, or the new one, Wayland. We're gonna use Xorg. Next, you're gonna need a login manager of sorts, SDM, DDM, whatever. I use SDDM. And then the extra GUI, either KDE or Cinnamon. That's what I use. Or GNOME. Let's use Cinnamon because that's what I use. And here we go. Say yes, default. Yeah, blah, blah. That's another gig. And then hit yes. And here we go. Let's install the GUI. Here we go. Yada, 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 blah, 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 and so on and so forth. So tired and stuff. Yeah. Usually I'm more talkative, but today I'm just feeling. I only slept for 4 hours today, because of work and stuff. Stuff like that. Mm. Yep. It's very silly. Oh wow, it's 19 degrees outside? Dang. Pretty cold. Huh. There it goes. See, on part 0, I've made many mistakes. But this time. Oh, it's called GNOME Terminal. Oh, wait. It didn't. Yeah, I had to install it. I had to install it, though. It's called GNOME Terminal. Okay. I'll add that in there, too. With the list of terminals. That's what's called GNOME Terminal. Okay, I'm gonna put that just in case. Because I don't want to mess up. There's not a terminal for Nemo, and I don't remember what. I don't remember what it is. Of course, sudo. I forgot. Yeah. Proceed. Yes. Okay, is there anything else I can remember? uh, I think that should be it. All right. I'm gonna tell System D to put this on its boot up sequence. Enable SDDM. Okay. Well, since I'm not gonna boot it up, I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Start SDDM. All right, folks. Here we go. I think it's working. It gave me some kind of error. I don't know if you guys caught that. Cinnamon. You know, I'm gonna put this on full screen. See how that looks. Yeah, I think we are right. Well, I don't have the appropriate drivers. So I'm gonna go back to that. Okay. Session Cinnamon. Irvin. Here's me. Put my password in. And I should be able to boot. And here we go, folks. And here's the terminal. I think that's... Ah, look at that. Nice. Can I change the colors? It's... At least it's kind of hurting my eyes. Oh no. Kind of dark. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, I got terminal. That was like the most important thing. Like, look how basic it is, though. Look at that. It's so basic. So basic. Like, whoa.
Front, right.
Yeah, it works.
Front, left.
It's got sound. All right. The sound works. Cool. And here's the thingamajigs. Uh Run as root.sh. How do I open up in terminal? Where's it located? Oh, here we go. Okay. Run. Media. Earn. Run as root. Okay. I'm gonna take a shortcut to root. Authentication failure. What is a butt? What do you mean? That should work. Like, I put in a passive root, didn't I not? Right? Hi. I think there's a hold on, isn't there like uh no, that ain't it. Okay. VirtualBox guest. That's what I thought. Is it util? I'm surprised. Uh, isn't it seen as this though? What did I put the present for root? Hmm. Okay. Alright, that's no control. I just disable SDDL. Okay, good. 'Cause I'm gonna reboot this thing. Cause something's a little strange in Chinatown. You know what I'm saying? Root. Like you saw me put the password, right? Root. And they kicked me out. That's unbelievable. I gotta put the ISO back in. Uh, okay, why is this thing so fucking sensitive? Uh, oh yeah. Let's remove the additions and put the Arch Linux and then reset. I I had to go back just to reset the fucking password. Well, at least I can teach you how to, in case you don't remember your root password, you can just reset it. By doing what I'm doing right now. So I will teach you. This is strange, though. It shouldn't. Huh. All right. First, remember you gotta mount first to use it. Mount the SDA first partition, and I'm gonna put on mount. Now I gotta arch root it like so. Okay, now I'm in. Okay, as root. New password T T. There we go. Just like that. Now I'm going to exit. Now I'm going to go here in devices. And I'm going to remove it. Force on mount. And now I'm going to reboot it. Okay, we're in. Root T. There you go. Now I'm in root. Okay. Now I'm going to go devices, insert guest editions. All right. What was it? What was the location? Uh, hold on. Didn't mean to do that. Here. Oh, what? I didn't mount it, right? I don't see it. What's it called? Media or something? I don't remember. Rice turned into mashed potatoes. Maybe it was on the run. Just nothing. Well, let me go out of root first. System control. Enable. SDDM. Sudo system control. Start SDDM. T. Uh, Urban Media. Oh, okay. Okay. Switch to root. Go Trump. Okay, well, I guess I gotta go back. Okay. Okay. Is it auto run? I hit that fucking button again. Is it auto run? Can I open display? You're killing me, Smalls. Yeah. Oh, wait, is it VBox Linux editions? ARM. Oh, okay. I think I'm being retarded here. I forgot. I forgot. Kernel headers. There's no DKMS. Oh, okay. I guess I can do that. Sure. Oh no, there's no capital. Oh, I don't have TKMS installed to begin with? Oh shit. I mean, that's why it didn't work. I'm gonna have to do that over. Can I do that over? Yeah, let's start that over. Wouldn't hurt to start over. Building VirtualBox Gas Edition's kernel modules. Okay. Not found. Place install them execute. Okay. Oh, reload. Okay, let's try that. Well, okay. Looks like it worked though. So far. I'm gonna go ahead. Re-enable this unless I forgot. Okay. Let's try again. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go to bed. Do part 3. I'm sure I can fix it till then. Okay. Mm. I don't think the module's loaded. Something tells me it didn't do that. V-Bucks video. Oh, maybe it did? Why is this place so poop? How does it look over here? Eh, it's almost. It's almost where it needs to be. Let's try full screen. Okay. Yeah, I can live with this. Let's try it. Yeah, I can live with this. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Let's screen fetch. Let's screen fetch now. Now look at it. Arch Linux, kernel, 517 packages this time. From what, 148 or something? I went up to 517 packages. Bash. Then I got the gnome, muffin, cinnamon, the theme, the font, the disk. Not bad. I forgot what I was gonna do. I got distracted. Uh, damn it! I got distracted. What was I gonna do? Damn it! I hate when I do this. I don't remember what I was gonna do. Uh, the only way to find out is to look back on the video. Listen sound. VMware. Oh, GLX Gears, is that still a thing? I don't know what package that belongs to. I don't know. This is pseudo Pac-Man. It belongs to a package I don't remember. This might tell me though when I do this like this. Oh, Mesa Utils. Okay, nice. And the other one was Traceroute, which is like Bind Utils, I think, or just Traceroute. Cool. Okay, GLX Gears. Which that tells me, uh, no, it was grep render or something. GLX info, is that what that is? GLX info. And then the pipe. And then grep render. Direct rendering, yes.